In this video, we will show you how to install the Storm Shield Garage Door Threshold Seal Kit. In the box kit, you will find the threshold seal and the supplied adhesive for the seal. You will also need some tools such as a utility knife, a tape measure, and a pencil. We will start by opening the garage door and checking the area out for large cracks, holes, and wet areas, which would need to be repaired prior to installation. You will need to sweep the working area to make sure the adhesive can stick to the surface without being interrupted. With the garage opened, unroll and center the seal under the door and trim if necessary. When trimming the seal, use extreme caution. Score the seal on top and cut along the scored line. Next, you will lower the garage door on top of the threshold's 5 cm front side, placing the hump against the back bottom of the door. Then you will use the pencil to trace a line along the threshold while the door is set on top of the threshold. After tracing one side, carefully raise the door and trace the other side of the threshold. Before applying the adhesive, make sure there is no moisture on the path of the threshold. Since we had moisture, we dried it up before the next step. Now remove the threshold carefully and apply 3 rows of adhesive inside the trace line, in the pattern as shown on the instructions. We apply 2 rows first, and a zigzag pattern in between the rows. After applying the glue, place the threshold between the trace lines with the 5 cm front flap towards the outside and press firmly on top of the threshold. Carefully walk on the length of the threshold to spread the adhesive evenly. Lastly, allow a minimum of 24 hours dry time before driving over the threshold.